Have you ever looked at Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Margaret Thatcher, or these two and thought, oh my god, they have confidence written on their face? Well, you're right. And you can have it too. Hello everyone, my name is Lumi, and before we start, I want to thank every single person that watched my previous video. If you still didn't, you can click here, or the link will be, as usual, in the description box below. Confidence. The quality of being certain of your abilities, or having trust in people, plans, or the future. It is listed as #1 vital leadership traits by Tony Robbins and is discussed in multiple courses, books, and even songs. But how do you get from this to this easily, quickly, and effectively? Well, you have to follow some body language tricks. Write in the comments if you already know some tips and tricks how to look more confident, and let's start by looking at the top of our body and mainly our eyes, mouth, and generally head. Maintaining an eye contact is one of the easiest ways how to show that you are confident, but only when did right. Therefore, you have to keep your head straight, because otherwise looking from down up, it's submissive and generally weird. If you're looking from top down, then you're more arrogant than confident. Also, looking straight in the eyes for the whole discussion is not really a sign of confidence. It's somehow intimidating. So don't forget, time to time, to wander around. Your mouth can say so much more about you, especially when it comes to your smile. While confident people are perceived to generally be happier and careless, using your full smile during an important meeting will not bring you any confidence. In the contrary, people will think that you are either silly or unfocused or not really prepared for the meeting. And what a lot of people do is they overcompensate their fear or their anxiety by putting this huge smile on their face and showing the world that everything is fine, whether everyone understands that it's not. Well, if you actually want to smile and you think it's very important for the situation, forget this whole huge smile. A very nice, subtle smile will work perfectly. When it comes to your head, less is definitely more. Keep it still and looking forward, because if you put it on the side, it is either a sign that you're bored or you're confused or you're very suspicious. Another important thing worth mentioning is nodding. If you want to show a person that you're actively listening, you can nod 1 to 3 times once in a while. If you're doing it too fast or too often, it is more of a sign that you're either anxious or you're more subordinate, or you try to please someone by showing that you agree with everything. And this is not really a behavior of a very confident person. Moving forward to your upper body, and mainly your shoulders, chest, arms, and hands. A good posture is also a sign of confidence. So avoid rounded shoulders, straight up your back, and pull your chest upwards. But also, same as with all the tips today, overdoing it looks either weird or as if something wrong happened, or as if you're actually trying to be more confident. Well, it doesn't work. When standing, try to have your hands not really in your back as if you are hiding something, or in front, because that will round automatically your shoulders, your chest, back, and so on and so forth. Don't put it here because this is kind of a fake confidence and of course, don't lock them at your chest. Relaxing your hands by your side is the most effortless and natural position, and this will make you look confident and calm. But of course, if you're talking and if you're like me and you love to use your hands, you can definitely do it. Don't overdo it like I do many times. Don't push it and try to kind of use your hands although you don't feel like. Really, follow your instincts, follow your body. If it's natural, that it's confident. When sitting, a sign of confidence is taking up the space around you. So again, you can put your hands by your side, but not touching your body, but on the holders from the chair. Also in this case, I would stay centered and still, not on one side, not on the other side. It shows boredom. Not on the back because it's not confidence, it's laziness, arrogance, whatever. And about forwarding, if you want to show care and respect, of course you can forward. This is a very good sign, but don't overdo it. Again, looking in the eyes, forwarding, it's too intimidating. Your lower body, especially your legs, are also very important when trying to look confident. Same as your hands. The normal position is just having them separate along your body. It's more stable, it's more calm. Also, a very important thing here, try to stand still and not move around too much because it's a sign of anxiety or that you feel uncomfortable. And this is definitely not a sign of confidence, calmness, and so on. By the way, and a special trick for that is moving slowly, because that will make the other person think that you don't waste time and energy on moving chaotically. Everything is very thoughtful. Everything has a meaning. Every move, every word, every look. To sum up, the most effective body language tricks to look more confident are to have your head straight, nod and smile less, maintain an eye contact but not too intimidating, don't round your shoulders, have your back and your posture straight, put your chest forward, not too much, relax your hands and legs, and intentionally take up some space around you. And again, try to exercise it maybe at home so that when you are in the real situation, you make everything very naturally and effortlessly. If people see that you learn something and you're trying to do what you've learned, it will have the opposite effect. Write me in the comments which tip was your favorite. Give me a thumbs up if you learned something new. Click here and here for more content. Here to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!